let's straight move on to what global news is on. I mean, rather, news on the global front is all about. Let's talk first about the debt ceiling, because that's going to be largely in focus. The US House Speaker Kevin McCarthy said he had a productive and professional chat with President Joe Biden, but no deal had been reached amid the government's efforts to avert a potentially catastrophic economic event. If the debt limit is not raised, the US will default on its bills as early as the 1st of June. The date reaffirmed by the Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen multiple times.
And staying with the macros in the latest Fed speak, the Minneapolis Federal Reserve President Neil Kashkari has said that a pause in rate hikes in the June meeting would not mean an end to the rate hiking cycle.
Right, a Federal Reserve survey shows that US inflation levels, which still remain worryingly above the central bank's tolerance levels, has now in fact resulted in the erosion of the sense of financial security among households. The annual survey notes that the number of people saying they felt less secure about retirement and had delayed purchases or swapped into cheaper products as they shopped has gone up.
And more concerns coming up on the macro front, even as deposit runs have led to the collapse of US banks this year. Commercial real estate is not far from causing problems for lenders, says the JP Morgan Chase chief Jamie Dimon. He also warned banks to prepare for rates going higher from this point onwards.
Right, and switching to corporate on the global front, Facebook owner Meta has been slapped by a record $1.3 billion fine by the European privacy regulators. It has been given a deadline to stop shipping users' data to the US after regulators said it failed to protect personal information from the American security services.
And Microsoft chief Bill Gates has said that the future top AI player is poised to disrupt search engine services, productivity, and online shopping sites. Technology be so profound that it could radically alter user behaviors. Gates said that there is 50-50 chance that this future AI winner will be either a startup or a tech giant.
Right, let's talk about the European budget carrier Ryanair traces steps back to profits as airfares jumped. The company expects to clock in better profits fueled by the summer boom. Aims for a 10% profit jump after profits hit 1.4 billion euros, thereabouts 1.43 billion euros to be absolutely precise.